Alright everyone, now let's set up our backend. Instead of building a full API with something like .NET, we'll use JSON Server to quickly simulate a backend. First, go to Google and search for JSON Server. Then open the official website. Make sure you follow the stable version, not the beta. Now, to install it, we use the command npm install-g-json-server. Once the installation is complete, we are ready to create our data. Next, we create a file called db.json. Important, this file should be in the root of the project, not inside src. Inside db.json, we define our data. For example, we create a students array, and each object represents a student with fields like ID, name, class, and GPA. Now, to start the backend. We run json-server-watchdb.json. By default, it runs on port 3000. But we already use port 3000 for our next app. So we change the port, we run json-server-watchdb.json-port 3005. Now our backend is running on localhost 3005 and we can access our data from there. At the same time, we start our Next.js app with npm run dev. So now we have two running services, front-end on localhost 3000 and backend on localhost 3005. Our application will send requests to the backend and receive data from JSON Server. So both must be running at the same time. And with this, our setup is complete. Now we're ready to start building the project.